talking about inshallah. These times you don't even pray. Why is that man wearing a piece of the beast? How did she squeeze in them jeans? How can I be homophobic? My bitch is gay. Hit man in the top try, see them man topless, even a stick is gay. Hugging my brothers and say that I love them.
Hindi ba kayo nagsasawa dito? Sa umaga?
Parang reality show. No, it's like watching PBB with me.
Umaga? Saan na nakita niyo? Bago kayo matulog, so ulit makita niyo. Hindi ba kayo nagsasawa dito? Ala!
Hello guys! Hello guys! Welcome to Shelly's vlog! Hello guys! Welcome to Shelly's vlog! Welcome to
Mom!
Shelly's vlog!
Mom, bilis ka na pa.
Hello!
Thank you.
Oh my gosh! Don't forget to follow, guys.
Follow only Pip guys! Follow only Pip guys! I'm so serious! Follow only Pip!
Maybe funny to channel.
Let's make it reach 7K followers on this live.
Follow only Smolly and Shelly guys!
Ay, nako.
There's a new vlog coming up!
Please follow.
Smolly and Shelly!
Please follow. Thank you, guys. I appreciate the follows.
Follow.
I love the follows.
Sabi, baka the Smolly and Shelly will have more followers than Team Tom.
Smolly and Shelly! Maayong hapon sa iyo na naman!
Shout out Gen Z.
Meron bang Visayas? Maayong hapon sa iyo na naman!
Romblon. Nako, chaotic na naman. ADHD rin si mom. Guys, sa mga hindi pa nag-follow, please follow.
Hola! Buenas tardes! ¿Cómo se usted?
Nako. Mom, you can be seen right now, ah.
Oh my gosh! Oh my God! Basta!
Parang ako lang, eh.
Ooh!
Oh my gosh! Dad, ano yun?
Para pag walang pagkain, initin lang. Iniinit lang sa laging may... Ganun, alam ko ganun.